Microbio, city in trouble.
Adi, the situation is bad. The superhumans have caused a lot of damage. Our defenses are down. Assessing damage. Yes, we're struggling to control the city. The attacks have left us vulnerable. Adi, city in crisis. Our tech isn't holding up. We need to find a way to fight back. Samir, tech failing. We need a new plan. Let's strengthen our defenses and use our resources wisely. Adi, new plan needed. I'll work on improving our tech. We need to be prepared. Samir, improving tech. I'll set up a meeting with our experts to create a response plan. We must secure the city. Adi, meeting with experts. Good. Let's meet in an hour with our plans. We will get through this. Samir, finalizing plans. Absolutely. Let's act quickly and turn this around. Adi, taking action.
To be continued.